no greedy dice at all?
Yep. Yeah, I'll just try and hide the screen like this.
Throughout today's
Hide the
performance,
screen.
please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and vomiting.
My hands.
And no chirping. Thank you.
Yeah, looks like it's still.
And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Lick!
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. Little. Nice. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show.
Yeah.
You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs. So, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Yes, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Shelby, I really hate when you do that. I really hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nick.
Where was it? Yes, Chili and tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This wasn't my favorite.
Oh!
Oh, whoa. Felt it that time.
Keep up, Kevin!
Yeah, we were sitting before we couldn't feel.
Hey, what are you guys trying to pull?
Listen up, my enemy! Hold still!
Back off. In case you hadn't noticed, all right?
You miss! No one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean defensive machine.
Yep.
I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea.
Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No! They're not intruders. No. They're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. I need more animal.
Yeah, that time I got really wet. Ooh.
I hope the none of you are allergic to
Acid.
Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Click.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let it rip, Claire.
No way! You'll never catch me.
She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh, whoa.
Stink bug.
Oh, whoa.
Lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends, get this loser out of my sight.
Hey,
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this.
Raise it up a little bit.
You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What?
Oh.
You're still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your slingers and attack!
No! I fell back!
You are over your target, Black Widow Spider!
That time.
Jump!
Throw it that time. Yeah, just a little.
Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
What do we do now? Bring up the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
What was this doing, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place. We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Rich with flowers.
give thanks to us bugs for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact
Looks like
that
the
we like the taste,
spotlight
you'd be
that,
out there
working.
wallowing in shoulder-high waist. Shoulder-high waist.
Now then.
All bugs were white dog, the face of the planet. Then soon become humans, surrounded to planet. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Very top to
Huh. It's a piece of cake.
And holding!
Oh, look at all that.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit.